Okay, so this is day 2 of my business trip to Aichi, Japan. It started off as a rainy day, but I'm about to head to eat my breakfast. Okay, so yeah, this is what the inside of the breakfast room looks like. The hall, I should say. There's a lot of working salarymen, and there's like disinfectant that you have to do. But yeah, there was a lot of things to choose from, and I just started off with the salad in the beginning. You can see me getting macaroni salad, and then I got some green salad from here. There was not too much in terms of salad, I guess, but yeah. So I decided to get some bacon chips on the top of it, sprinkle, and then I also sprinkled some. I think this is ranch dressing. Oh, no, Caesar dressing, but yeah. And then you can't have Japanese food without a rice cooker, so yeah, I got some rice. And I actually decided to get, there's another rice cooker to the side, but yeah, you'll see that later, what I got. So yeah, and here I am filling up my oolong tea. I liked it, so yeah, it's pretty good. There was like apple juice, and there was also some like red kind of fruitish drink. But yeah, this is what the inside of the hall looks like from the side. There's a lot of neon lights, and yeah, this is my meal. Sorry it's so brown. It may not be that appealing. There's no green, but yeah, I finished this meal and then I head back to my hotel room after this. So yeah, I wish there was more like fruits and stuff. The breakfast that I had was, I guess, included in the hotel fee, I guess. So it says price per meal was 1,500 yen, which is about like $16, I think. So yeah, I guess the breakfast was $16, and this hotel room that I'm in right now is about $40 about, I guess. If you calculate it right, yeah, it was about like $50 a night here, so yeah, not too bad. And I think this hotel is pretty new too, actually. They just recently built it, I think, because the inside, everything, all the equipment, I feel is really new. Like if you look at the air conditioner, you can tell that it's new, really new. It was made in 2020. So yeah, this hotel is probably around that year old. Yeah. So breakfast was great. After this, I'm gonna head to work until like 5 p.m. So yeah, I guess I'll catch you guys later when I'm heading back home. Okay, so from here, I was heading away from the hotel after I finished work, and we were talking about where we should go from here. And I was just making some weird hand gestures, but yeah, that's me driving right there. And yeah, so this is a highway as usual, and we were looking for the nearest service station, and we end up going to the same one that we usually go to when we go to Nagoya. And it's actually the same one, I believe, that I went to when we came here on our way to Nagoya. But yeah, you'll see it from here. So we made it to the service area. I'm sorry about the bad lighting on the camera. It's the GoPro, so it's not really good at dark places, but it tried its best. And yeah, you could see that we're at Tsuchiyama service area. It's a pretty big service area. It's probably one of the ones that we always go to. But yeah, this is what it looks like from the outside, and yeah, I'm about to head inside. And yeah, you can see the tanuki greeting us inside. But yeah, this is kind of what it looks like. It's quite clean. I enjoyed coming to service areas because they keep it very, very clean. But yeah, here we are to the meal section. And this is like the menu that they have here. A lot of the menu on this list were not available. I'm pretty sure maybe because of COVID, less customers, so they didn't have all the menus available. But yeah, this is an electronic board, and to the left and the right you can see there's like vending machines, well, buttons that you can press to buy your ticket for your food or your meal, I guess. But yeah, there was not that many to choose from. There was only maybe like 10 out of like the 30 that was available, so I think we ended up getting the same things. But yeah, I decided to get the Oh wait, actually I wanted to get that one, but it was out of service. So in the end, you're gonna see me choose something. But yeah, I decided to get some famous, I guess authentic Nagoya Aichi food. I'm gonna explain it later, but yeah, that was like the only thing that was available. So kind of sad, but I mean, what can you expect during the COVID pandemic, I guess. There's a lot to choose from, but everything that I pointed at was out of order, out of service. So it took me like 3-4 tries until I chose what I was about to officially eat. But yes, it was quite painful to see that everything that I wanted to eat was not available. But yeah, I guess decided to get the Nagoya Meal Set that you just saw me zoom into. That's the one I believe that I got. I think I did. Yeah, I chose it by myself. Yeah, there we go. I got my ticket, so I'm about to head over to the counter to receive it. You don't have to turn in your ticket or anything. They just like finish your order without you even asking. But yeah, I hand in my ticket here, and then yeah, I get to my seat. So here it is, up close. That is my meal for tonight. Alright, so I'm eating, なんて言うんですかこれ? どて焼き? どて煮? It's called a doteni in Nagoya. And I'm eating a, 何これ? Kishimen. This is a kishimen right here. You can't see it. You gotta lift it up, but yeah. This is a kishimen. It's a, 何ですかこれ? 普通にかまぼこ? あ、これ? Yeah, this is a kishimen. And then right here is a 冷ややこ? 冷ややこですか? Tofu? Yeah. So yeah, this is a... これ名古屋のなんか有名なセットですかこれ? ああ、そういうことですね. This is like a Nagoya set right here. What they usually eat, I guess. These are bomb right here. These things. They're like chicken wings, but yeah, pretty good. Oh, this is a store you can buy lots of what's it called? Souvenirs here. And yeah, we decided to go outside to the only place that was open that was selling ice cream. And they actually sold a lot of other stuff too as well. Pretty impressive. And yeah, this is the types of ice creams that they sold. The chocolate, matcha, which is my favorite. You got your strawberry, and then you got your melon, and then you got your caramel. And there's a big gyoza, a dumpling, and then there's a bunch of like confectionaries as well. But yeah, after finishing ice cream, we just ended up going home normally, just no detours. And yep, that's pretty much it for the road trip, or business trip I should say, to Aichi, Japan. It was quite a fruitful one. 2 days is quite long, I feel. I don't know. My next business trip is to Tokyo, and I have to go for, I believe, a week. Well, it's not Tokyo, I guess it's in Saitama. But yeah, I'm gonna have to get ready for that next business trip, and yeah, I'm gonna have to leave a lot of food and water and toiletry for my cat, I guess, and leave the air conditioner on because it's kind of warm in this season. So yeah, I guess you can be excited for the next Tokyo edition, I guess. It's gonna be quite a long one. I'm going on a business trip, of course, so it's not gonna be a lot of time of me being spent in that area, because most of the day I'm working, so yeah, I'm probably just gonna show you like the city and maybe the food or anything that I do on my free time. Yeah, so hopefully you enjoyed this video. Sorry for the long ramble at the end. But yeah, I'm gonna also be uploading a couple more videos of me having lunch in Kyoto with my colleagues. So yeah, hopefully you'll enjoy those as well. But once again, thanks for watching, and yeah, see you guys later.